Hi guys, welcome to CAD C8 tutorial. Today we are going to see and use move and copy command in AutoCAD. Today lecture 11th AutoCAD lecture 11th is discussed here. AutoCAD all 2D commands learn easily one by one. And today two important command is move and copy in AutoCAD. So let's see what are the move and copy command in AutoCAD and how to easily use in AutoCAD. We want to create new sketch interface. Then at first open AutoCAD software. Now we will see a new create a sketch. Okay. At first open a AutoCAD software. Okay, this is our AutoCAD software interface, and you can see here all commands in pop-up. Okay, all commands you can see here. There are various commands you can see here. How this works we will see here. We will learn one by one, and today is 2 point you can see here move and copy. Okay, at first some drawing point drawing and then use move and copy command. Okay, first is drawing a circle, and second is a rectangle. Okay, this, and third is a polygon. Okay, 5 side enter, and this is a point inscribe. Okay, at first select a line, this line and this. Okay, and at first select a line, this line, this. At first select a line, this line, this. Okay, 2 points is first point is move and second point is copy. Use AutoCAD software. Okay, and move command, this point is move, select here, and this move select object. Okay, and this point and select and enter. Click here, right click, yeah, other point is enter. At first select object, and other point is enter, yeah, mouse right click. Okay, I click right click, mouse right click. Okay, and this first point and this second point is a move. This point is a move, and also move command, this and this point is select, right click, and this center is a move any other point. Okay, learn one again. This move command, select this point and right click, mouse right click, and this center point is mouse is drag here any other point. Okay, this point, and this point. Okay, and other is a move. Okay, this point select, right click, and this line, this point is a move. Okay, move, and again this point, right click, and this point is a move any other. Okay, this point. This line is use a copy. Okay, this move point is a select here, and right click, and this point is this point. Okay, and this is a copy command is used. Copy command, this point, right click, and this first point and second point is a okay, this point. Okay, copy command, and this is a also this is a okay, right click, enter. This is a line is all copy command, and select this copy command, this object, select a right click, and this is a point. Okay, this point and this point and this point and this point. Copy command is okay, this point, right click, enter. And again copy command is a this point, right click, and first point is a this point, click this point and this point, right click, enter. Okay, okay. And also a circular radius, this is a this, and D, enter. Modify the value, text D is 30, and symbol is 15. Okay, 15. Okay, okay. Again the enter. Modify, text is 40 and symbol is 20. Okay, this is a 20. Okay, this is size is increase, and also length is this point and this point is a, and also this point and this point is a okay, and linear, this point and this point, and angular, align is this point and this point, and angular, this angle and this angle is 108, and this angle and this angle is okay, angular, this angle and this angle is 90. Okay, okay. This point, select this and this is delete here, and this point, this and this is also delete here, and this point, and this point and this point delete here, and some use this. Also move here, this point, right click, this center is this. Okay, this point is not, but okay, and move this point and this point also. Okay, right click, and this point is move here. Okay, okay, and also copy command is this point and this point and this point and center and object, and right click, and this point is a first, second, third, fourth. Okay, okay, and this move copy command, first, second, third, fourth, right click, and this object is click here, and also okay, right click, enter. Okay, this is a copy command and move command you can say here. Okay guys, AutoCAD lecture 12 12. Okay, AutoCAD lecture 12 is coming soon, and move command and copy command you can share and learn one by one, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.